Hi there, in Pulpy Tamarind channel. Today we'll see how to make Korean Dalgona coffee. So this is a refreshing cold drink, very apt for hot summer and also lockdown period. So this is simple coffee made with a twist. That's all. Let's try it. So this basically originated in Korea, where you have this Dalgona toffee, which is made of sugar and baking soda. So this is Dalgona coffee. There is sugar but no baking soda. So let's try to make this. For one serve, we require 1 cup of milk, instant coffee powder 2 tablespoons, sugar 2 tablespoons, hot water 2.5 tablespoons, ice cubes of course. So we are going to add 2 tablespoons of instant coffee powder, any brand, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2.5 tablespoons of hot water in a bowl and start whisking. If you do not have an electric whisk, no problem, use the regular whisk, but the time will be more as you will be doing it with your hands, and electric whisk will take around 5 to 8 minutes. You have to whisk it like whipped cream and wait for it to become soft peaks. It should form soft peaks and not drip when you raise the whisks. So till that stage we need to keep beating it or whisking it, how much ever the time. Whisk more if you have to serve more people, and this way we want it to form like soft peaks. It's very strong and it serves 2 servings. I have increased the quantity by 2 or 3 times. So once you have made the coffee foam, or whisk the coffee cream, we can start serving. So we'll take a glass of milk and you add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix it. You can either refrigerate it or just keep it at room temperature, however you want it. So this is the second step, and then we can start serving. So for serving, we'll take a serving glass or a cup or a beer cup, whatever you want to give, and into that add 2 or 3 ice cubes. And once you've done that, add the glass of milk with which we have mixed the sugar. So add half a glass or 3/4 of a glass, and on top of that scoop the coffee foam, 2 or 3 scoops per glass. So you can add 2 to 3 scoops per glass and sprinkle coffee powder or chocolate powder if you have on top of it. So I am making for the whole family, so I am repeating the process. Take a glass, add 2 or 3 ice cubes to it, and on top of that you can add milk. So here I am adding sugar separately, and I am going to add milk separately, but you have to do it the other way around. So now I am adding the milk, half a glass to 3/4 of a glass. The Dalgona coffee is very strong, so add more sugar. So on top of that I am going to add 2 to 3 scoops of coffee cream or coffee foam, whatever you would like to call it, and it should float on the milk. It should not start dissolving or getting mixed with the milk. It should just float. So that's the right consistency. Upon that you can drizzle whatever you would like, choco chips, coffee powder, chocolate powder, whatever you would like to do. So that's up to you. So as I said, it's very strong, so add more sugar if you don't like it strong. So doubling the proportions, I have got so much of coffee cream or foam, and I have some more in the fridge, so you can see how many servings it can serve. If you like it better and strong, less sugar is better. So this is Dalgona coffee for you. Very refreshing, very tasty and very yummy. So try this. It is really nice, and for climate like India right now, so hot, it's really a boon. So just try it, because this coffee is something which anyway we have, so just make it different. Korean Dalgona coffee is ready. You can keep the coffee cream for 2 days in the fridge. So what are you waiting for? Go and make it right now and make your family happy. Celebrate lockdown with Dalgona coffee. If you like my video, please subscribe, share, like, comment and press the bell icon. for notifications of my future videos. Thank you for watching Pulpy Tamarind channel.